Good morning, Gerald. When you log into your Math 128 course in Canvas, it takes you to the home page that you see displayed on the screen here. The first place, as you read through this, the first place I want you to go is to the Chapter 1 module. So if you click on Modules, you'll see a list of all of the modules. There's your textbook. You can click on that textbook and open it up. And of course, want to read through the section before trying to attempt any graded assignments. But if I go back to the module and I want to access an assignment, your assignments are listed here below in the Chapter 1 Sampling and Data module, below the text header, Graded Assignments. All you need to do is click on the first assignment, Chapter 1 Definitions and Data. You should be able to start, and here come your questions. If you continue to encounter difficulties, I would suggest you contact tech support, and I'll provide you with that email address in my email here. Let me know if you have further questions.